So anybody that pre-orders the Spirit Communication course for $99.99 by today will receive that free leather notebook, and you'll get it shipped to you for free. If you're outside the United States, it may cost you a little bit to ship it. I'll let you know. So the Spirit Communication course, I'm really excited about it. I'm excited for you. I created the course based on what I've been teaching my mentors and my mentorship program, and what I've experienced and what I've learned over the past 2 years in learning how to develop my mediumship. Until July 25th, which is the official release date, which is just in 3 short days, you'll be able to pick it up for $99 in the pre-sale. And once it's released, you'll get a link, you'll be able to download it. After the 25th, it goes up to its regular price, which is only $149. I don't want you to miss out on it. And I'm looking forward to seeing where this journey takes you.